Welcome! Today I'd like to introduce a kit called the Anger Control Games. These games are designed for children who are struggling with anger and is meant to be played with an adult in therapeutic sessions, group therapy, the classroom, or at home. The manual does not provide an age range, but is described online being suitable for children ages 5 to 10. This kit includes 6 different games, each intended to teach children a specific skill to help them control their anger and to encourage adults to model appropriate behaviors. Each game requires a 2-player minimum and its appropriate deck of cards. Here are the 6 games and its matching deck. Anger Buttons helps children understand the things that trigger their anger. Stop Yourself. Stop Yourself teaches children alternatives to angry behavior. Cool Down. Cool Down teaches children different ways to relax and calm down. Wheel of Feelings. Wheel of Feelings helps children realize they can talk about different feelings. Race for Responsibility. This game teaches children the importance of having responsible behaviors and attitudes. And lastly, Creating Compromises. This game helps teach children how to solve their own problems by finding solutions. In my experience, this kit has been great working with families with more than one child. Having multiple game options allows each child to take a turn choosing a game as well as changing it up the next session. I find this to be helpful because it's engaging and it allows the children to feel a little bit more control of the process. I could also see how this kit could be adaptable for the classroom by adding a few more pawns and having the students form small groups. What I really like about this activity is that it comes with 6 game approaches to anger in one kit, giving you a wide variety to choose from. I really like the game board and the card illustrations, making the game very attractive to children. The instructions for each game only involve about 6 to 8 steps, so it's a very quick activity to pull out. All of the cards present real-life scenarios that the children can relate to, which I felt was very helpful and engaging. However, some of the cards just had statements, so they didn't really compel the child to reflect and discuss. So as an adult, you may need to plan ahead of time by going over the cards and deciding how you're going to use them. Thanks again for clicking on this video. Use the comment section to let me know what you think about this video. And of course, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.